I also routinely like to use a straight fisher. The straight fisher burr from the Kois kit is a little bit thicker in diameter than what I'm accustomed to. I usually like a 557 or 558. But what this is going to do is it's going to create surface texture, and it's going to help you refine surface anatomy. See, I'm going to make little indentations here to simulate the lobes, particularly in the centrals. Trying to maintain 3 planes, the anatomic form. Little indentation here in the left central. And on the lateral. Changing to a thinner acrylic burr just to get a little bit more precision around the margins.